Iqra Academy from Qatar.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. All praise is due to Almighty Allah except whom there is no God and He is the living, the self-existing, the everlasting, the King, the manifest truth. After durood and salams upon our beloved Nabi Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa, peace and blessing be upon him, and upon his noble family and illustrious companions, and all those who will follow the way until the end. Initially, I would like to begin my speech by the most precious tradition of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, which is called Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Afterward, starting my issue by the permission of dear Managing Director of Iqra Academy, esteemed teachers, honorable participants, and my dear guests. The issue which has been selected is under the title of The Importance of Renewable Energy. In the first, what is renewable energy? What are the challenges of renewable energy? Renewable energy refers to energy that is generated from nature resources that are replenished naturally on a human time scale. These resources are sustainable and are not depleted when used, unlike fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. The main types of renewable energy includes first, solar energy, second, wind energy, third, biomass energy, and fourth one, ocean energy. First, solar energy. Harnessed from sunlight using photovoltaic cells or solar thermal system. Solar energy is one of the most abundant and widely used renewable sources. Second one, wind energy. Generated by converting the kinetic energy of wind into the electricity using turbines. Wind energy has become a significant contributor into the global energy mix. Third one, biomass energy, derived from organic materials. Biomass can be converted into the biofuels or used directly for heating and electricity generation. Fourth one, ocean energy. This includes tidal and wave energy, as well as ocean thermal energy conversion, which harness temperature differences in ocean water. While renewable energy offers numerous benefits, these are the challenges to its widespread adoption. First, intermittency. Some renewable sources such as solar and wind are dependent on weather conditions and time of day, necessitating advancement and energy storage technology. Second one, infrastructure needs. Transitioning to renewable energy requires a significant investment in new infrastructure and grid upgrades to accommodate in decentralized energy generation. Third one, initial cost. Although the cost of renewable technologies have been decreasing, but the initial investment can still be a barrier for some individuals and businesses. Thanks for your kind attention.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel and Facebook page.